We are at the Nashville Superspeedway for C10 Nationals 2024. We are starting off our show coverage strong with a lap around the autocross.
We're here with Matt 3, Matt Crick, and we're in his, is it 80? 80. It's 1980 K5, and we're gonna go on the autocross here. He's promised me we're gonna sling it sideways, so we'll see what happens. I don't know. There's some boys here rolling, but they got some custom chassis. So this is actually my first time out on the track, so I'm excited, and we're gonna see what we do.
Yellow's first, then red, and then I'll send you. There you go, man. Rock and roll, baby, rock and roll.
How you feel? I felt pretty good for first run.
It wasn't bad first run.
First reaction is that's awesome. Second is it's definitely more terrifying when you're not driving because you don't have control. But it's a good time. The best thing is don't remember that you're in a 40-year-old car. But it's super fun.
Now we set out to explore the show. We are looking for some very specific things that we don't often see at car shows, and we're going to see if we can find them today. Today, we are on the lookout for a 61. They're very rare. I never see them at car shows. We're going to see if we can find one. We're looking for a pink truck. We're looking for a fleet side Apache, other than mine, of course, because I hardly ever see those. We're looking for a twin turbo setup, lots of horsepower. I want to see if I can find it. I'm on the hunt for an all original 67 to 72. I think that might be our easiest one. And lastly, I'm gonna see if I can find a blower truck. So this is our tats for today. Let's go on the hunt and see if we can find it. All right, we're starting off our journey on our hunt, on our search. What do you think of our list is going to be the hardest to find?
The all original, for sure.
You think so?
The all original is going to be the hardest.
I thought that was going to be the easiest.
Well, we'll see.
We'll see who's right. All right, I really like this paint scheme. I like the motor. They painted it red. And this like two-tone paint scheme is really cool. This is beautiful. Color we love. They incorporate some of the old school houndstooth, which is pretty. Floorboards are nice. We love the bed, nice and clean. Overall, very solid. Quickly realizing that if you are into like all the original stuff like me, this is probably not the show for you. Everything I'm seeing is like really heavily modified race car type vehicles, but I'm only on the second row, and so far we have checked precisely 0 things off of our list of things we are looking for. And this guy just keeps working, so he's no fun.
Somebody gotta make money.
I guess so. I'm on the hunt solo. Okay, okay. A nice little pistachio moment. Oh, here we go again with that 2/3 paint scheme. We love the houndstooth. Oh, okay, this does not count as pink. It is purple, so it doesn't really count for our list, but that is a fun color. Have not seen one of these in this color before. I'm drooling. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my gosh, this interior, you guys. Oh, that is so beautiful. What? Look at all this fab work. This is incredible. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. I do not like the wheels, but everything else is really cool. Beautiful. Okay, you guys know I'm a Blazer girly. This one looks pretty good.
All right, Stephanie, tell me what's wrong with this Blazer.
Nothing.
She's wrong. There's something wrong with this Blazer. Tell me what's wrong.
Nothing.
You couldn't, this wasn't a real Blazer. You couldn't have bought this. Look at the front. They never made a Blazer with this grill.
Okay, but they always do this.
This is just like the turquoise one that we
this
saw
happens
in
very
Tupelo.
frequently.
Twice.
Very common
Twice now.
modification, so
2 times it's happened. It's frequent.
I don't think that constitutes as something wrong.
I was more seeing if she knew.
I mean, but that's a very
I
normal
see an
modification.
all original 55.
No, you don't. We're on the go. We
Gotta go.
BRB. I'm drooling over this, you guys. Are you kidding me? Oh my gosh. Wheels. There's literally nothing not to love about this. The wheels, the color is the same color as my Apache, cardinal red, with the cameo white touches. That's very original in the 50s. I love the hubcaps. I actually wanted these hubcaps for my Apache. They didn't fit, so we had to go with something else. I love everything.
You know the difference though? I
about
drove hers
this.
85 miles an hour this morning on the interstate with the AC.
But aesthetically, this thing is top notch. Could this be? Is this our all original? Michael, is this our all original?
Paint's definitely not. But the firewall is.
No, but like,
The
okay.
motor is.
You know what, you guys? I'm counting this as our all original.
Bring your viewers right here. This is cool. This is Marky's from the factory. So what's really cool, you guys, on some of these older trucks, I assume as far back as they made them, you'll see these numbers here. These are actually assembly line numbers. They mean something to someone who worked at GM, who's probably now dead, but during the assembly process.
Or plot twist, they just wanted you to think that was the assembly line numbers and they just like scribbled that on there.
And you know what, I honestly would love that even more.
Okay, you guys, I'm officially counting this as our all original 67 to 72. So we are on the board. Here we go. I'm feeling good. We're gonna start turning things around. Hey, we're calling this Paw Paw Corner. Oh my gosh. And that's no shade because I love Paw Paw trucks. It's actually my favorite. Oh my gosh, look at that wood in the back. Hey, you guys, we are now on the board again. We found our 61. I'm a little disappointed because it doesn't have the pig nose, so I'm a little thrown off.
It does have the grill though.
But it has the grill and it is technically a 61. So we're counting this. You guys know we are suckers for 3100 on the channel. I just really like this color. I love these hubcaps down here. And the interior just kind of sets it off. This is very well done.
I'm being a hater, it needs to go
No, it doesn't.
down.
No, you don't. You are perfect just the way that you are. Birds to live by. What are your thoughts so far on the show?
there's a lot of cool stuff here, especially if you guys are into performance builds or autocross. There's a lot of stuff here because obviously they're running. Part of the circuit for the autocross is here. So yeah, if you're into that, it's cool. I mean, you gotta remember it's Friday right now, so there's a lot of stuff still not here. So tomorrow will be the grand finale.
This looks like a C50. A little 68 moment. The color, pretty. A little patinaed. I like the bumper. I like that muted sort of gray. And then the bed wood. And then it looks like it has the original seats. Not sure if they're refurbished or not, but original looking seat. Pretty cool. Okay, I don't like them lowered, but lifted, different story. And white is just classic. You don't see too many of these lifted. People love to lift the squares, but this body style, not so much, but it's cool. You guys, this truck is literally in Rhino liner. I'm not sure what we're going for here, but you know what? I can promise you his paint's not chipping.
Honestly, I love it. The blower has arrived. We're right here on this GMC. I don't know what year it is. Looks like 51, 2 or 3 based on the door handle. It's got a LT4 supercharged 6.2. Pretty cool. I do like how they've got the Detroit steel wheel ambassadors in here kind of matched to fit the patina. Real clean setup under the hood because it gets tight in here, so kudos for that. I'm not a huge patina guy, but honestly, they've done a nice job putting it all together. The only thing I think I would add is I would have taken the chrome and patina the door handles to add. It's really cool.
All right, so the only things we have left to find on our list is a fleet side Apache, a pink truck, and our twin turbos.
Man, we're doubling down on the blowers.
Let's go. Let's see if we can find it. Yeah, we had a while. We're trying to find the blowers, and we just found 3 right in a row. So
there they are.
Check, check, check. Not to make everything about us, but we did bring our girl this show. We typically show Barry, so we whipped out Strawberry for this show. She is looking beautiful. Let me show you. Let me just do a little quick tour. So this is Strawberry. This is our 59 Apache. We rebuilt her in our backyard, actually. It took us about 9 months. Complete resto, no bolt untouched. We have an LS53 in here. The paint is cardinal red and cameo white. If y'all ever see our trucks at a show, come by. We always have stickers that we give out, so they are free for the taking. And we just love her. This one's my truck, Barry's Michael's, but I love bringing this one out. All right, we love this green color, nice and lifted. I literally can't even see up there. I like the steering wheel, it's really cool. Yet another C50? Yes. You guys, what? You like never see these, and I've seen 2 at this show. It's crazy. All right, we got this Blazer. You know that I'm such a sucker for Blazers. I've said that already on this channel a million times, and specifically on this video, but look at this. Very nice. I just found something that you don't see too often, and I'm gravitating right to it. A GMC. YouTubers or watch my videos often. I'm sorry, I just like Paw Paw. I like original. I like it looking good, looking clean. Here's another example. This green is just like such a pretty shade. I love the white accent. Very old school. Look at these wheels and tires. This is very, very nice. I think we're just turning into a Blazer channel here. All of them just look so good. Look at this one too. Oh my gosh. And they're lifted, they're beautiful. Well, on day one, we did our lap. We still never saw another fleet side Apache outside of ours. Never found our pink truck. And how did we not find a twin turbo? There had to have been one.
I think there was in the autocross, but they may have been on the track, so we'll circle back on that tomorrow.
So day one, we are wrapping up. We will be back for day two. I think there's gonna be more trucks here tomorrow, more people. So make sure that you like, share, subscribe. We will post our day two video. We are also going to be giving out our Babe Approved Awards this show. So if you're interested to see our best in class for all the major class categories, make sure that you hit that little bell next to the subscribe button so you'll know when it posts and uploads. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This is Babe Approved Rides. We'll catch you next time.